Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern WXK County, Marion County, until 9:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:42 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Cowan, or 11 miles southeast of Winchester, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jasper, South Pittsburgh, Whitwell, Kimball, Montego, Powell's Crossroads, or Martin Springs, Cartwright, and Fiery Gizzard State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.